Tapos lagyan natin isa.
Wow, may cake pala.
Yes. So, alam mo ba? Hey guys, I'm Star. Hi. So, we're on the way to, we're actually in Westgate, Alabang. Mainit, magsuot tayo ng shorts. In Westgate, Alabang to have a lunch date with Kuya Jed and Lola Ali. So, let's go. We're waiting for Kuya Jed na lang. Hindi nakapunta si Serena kasi nag-church din kami kanina, so maaga kami nagising. So, yeah. Afterwards, Airbnb naman. Marami kami agenda for today and this weekend. Chili dito. Pero na-mix ko na yung akin. Pero like, OG dito. Why are you doing this? We missed you! Sayang wala sila Lauren at Josh. Tsaka si Ate Camille. Thank you! Hi guys! Say hi Kuya Jen, Lola Ali. So we're having truffle cream pasta and fish and chips. Mag-lunch lang kami guys.
Dito naman namin
and we'll get back to you. Say hi! Bye pala, bye! Oh, ito na guys. Ito na yung update. Guys, I can't breathe. Like, I'm so full. Naman siya na yung magtutuloy magsalita. Ay, sorry. Grabe. You're the vlogger here. I'm just the video. Okay, bye-bye. So, we're here at the second Airbnb with Lafam. It's so pretty. Just look at that. Kitchen area. Tapos may taas pa siya. So, let's go upstairs. Careful, mama. Sabi ni baby, wait, mommy, wait for mom. Wait for me. Okay, overlooking and then the other rooms. I love it. O, diba? Okay, so nahiga na siya. I think super comfy niya. Bonding with daddy. Yes, 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 yes. Finally done. Hey guys! So, we're done with the surprise. Meanwhile, hindi po siya nakadress. Yes, may lambing siya. Thank you, Mama, for taking care of me. Done with the retouch. And as usual, late yung mga boys dadating. Si Leah and si Corma muna. So, we'll be surprising them first. I love the flowers, so pretty. someone's enjoying the bed. Such an independent baby. This baby eating on his own. I say thank you, Nana, for cooking. You're so sweet naman to Daddy. Ala, tiga. Smile sa mirror kami. One, two, three. Ay, anak naman. Ay, dyan. Ayan na. Peekaboo, peekaboo. Peekaboo. So guys, kami pa lang at 7 p.m. or 6 na. Nauna pa yung 24 chicken na pinadeliver nila. Nasaan na kayo guys? Ano na ba? So the only thing that would make him quiet is Little Bear. Can you see Bear, Matt? I super love the big topper. Look at that. We feel like malapit na sila. So we prepared everything. Yes, yes. Oh, ayun na to. Surprise! Kayo natin sila.
Kanina happy birthday!
Tagalin mo. Congratulations, Tita Leah!
Welcome back! Ay, okay.
Ayun na. Dito naman kayo, nagsuotan pa talaga dyan. Dapat dito. Okay, ako dyan, ako dyan. Kabit mo sa kanya, Biz.
I-record ko na.
Ako na. Okay, dalawa muna.
Ay, black and white.
Yes. Cute na. Hindi makaayos mo. Yes, paayos natin. Sorry, di namin dinala. Kaya si Word kasi pwede.
Parang kayo lang shower. Ba ito? Mabalik ko dyan.
Tapos lagyan natin isa.
Wow, may cake pala.
Yes. So, alam mo ba, ang dami namin cake na inuwi kasi nga bumili pa kami for that. Parang hawakan na lang ni Carl yung cake. Oo nga, parang may hawak. Oo, Biz.
Ano yan?
Yung cake, ikaw yung maghawak ng heart cake. Or dyan lang. Naniniwala na akong clumsy ka. Again. 1, 2, 3, smile. No, congratulations. Soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Loresca. Smile ka muna. 1, 2. Sige, hawak mo. Congratulations! Actually, cake topper mo. 1, 2, 3. One more. Sorry, don't be mad.
Gusto ko naman inuman.
Congratulations! Let's go.
Bride squad.
Ah, pause ko na to, Biz.
Gusto mo yung kayo sa ano?
Thank you so much.
Picture na
Hindi. si Lee. Very good. Oh, love Tita Leia.
Like yung photo.
Eh, gano'n naman daw pag boy. Kamukha na. Pag girl, kamukha na. Medyo ano na yung practice na. Happy birthday, Kiko. Uy, happy birthday, Diz. Kamusta naman, Kap? Two, three. O, siyan.
Naka-video agad to.
Uy, pasalubing si Dad. Hey guys, good morning. So, di na ako nakapagtanggal ng makeup. Nakatulog na ako with baby and the hubby. So, right now, I'm fixing the things and we need to wash the bottles. And I think it's not raining, so sana makaswim kami. Sumama naman sa'yo kanina. O, balik mo siya ulit. Baka alternate tayo. Dali. Wow, you swim! Hi, Jen. See? Pika. Where's Daddy? Daddy. May video, wala na. Nak, mag-hi ka. Hi! Ala, nakahubad ka ba?
Baby,
Kaya,
Ilang minutes sa inyo pa uwi dito?